guys, this is Mateo here with Byrider Madison. Today I will be talking about the importance of wiper blades. And your windshield wipers will be your savior in times of need, meaning they will wipe away any rain, snow, or any condensation that builds up on your windshield. So basically, if you can't see, you can't drive. And when it comes to the perfect team, forget peanut butter and jelly. It's now your wiper blades and your windshield. And just to show you real quick and how easy it is to change your wiper blades. And not all wiper blades are the same. If you have any questions on which set of wiper blades fit your car, I invite you to come on down to our service department or give us a call and schedule an appointment at 608-663-1213.